To download Blender, first open up your web browser. Wait a second, not a private window. Do new ways. No, no. Why are you no? What are you? No, 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 no. You mother. I'm terribly sorry about that. What you want to do is you want to do new window, and what we want to search is for blender.org. Here is Blender. So let's go ahead and download the latest Blender. Click download Blender. Download Blender 3.2.
A few moments later.
With it downloaded, I can now double click and open it up, and this will appear. I can drag Blender into my applications. Click open. Now we have Blender opened up. You can see on the very bottom here, it says load 3.1 settings. I have an older version of Blender downloaded on my computer. This way, by clicking on load 3.1 settings, I don't have to redo the settings that I configured on my previous Blender version. So I'm going to click on load 3.1 settings. And just like that, we now have Blender downloaded and ready to go.